What are the 7 critical steps when you get audited? More than any time, 2021 is the vengeance. This is the payback time of the Internal Revenue Service because according to the current administration, they are planning to hire more agents than before. It's time to collect their money because 2020 they slowed down. Right now, they're planning to hire 87,000 on the next years. That's why you have to remember this process. The 7 steps, it's very simple that you have to follow. The first one, number 1 is stop panicking. Number 2 is review the letter. Do not ignore it. Number 3, pull out the tax return or tax transcripts. You can do it online. Number 4 is review supporting document. Okay, find the supporting document. Number 5, you need to contact the best tax resolution specialist around you. That's why Wyco Tax is here. Number 6, review the response form. And number 7, you need to do follow-up. That's we're going to go over here as a fast track. Number 1, when we say stop panicking, I cannot blame you. It's very intimidating, the IRS letter, but you have to take a deep breath when there's a letter. Just always think that the IRS is trying to sort out some things with you. They're trying to check, hey, you know what, we would like to let you know there are some things that we would like to review with you. Can you help us to identify? It doesn't mean that it's always going to be collection. Sometimes they can give you credits that you did not use. So that's why it's not always a bad thing. Number 2 is review the letter. A lot of our clients for the past 5-6 years, they've been audited. They felt that it's going to go away by itself. No. Reviewing the letter will tell you what would be the things that you have to take and what year they're looking for. Now, on number 3 is pull out the tax return or transcripts, because on that letter, they will tell you what year and what form they're auditing. It could be 2018, it could be your 1040, it could be your corporation that they're auditing. We have to be specific and measurable in terms of this because they only give you 30 days to reply. And it's not just one letter. There will be 3 to 4 letters that are coming on your way as long as you're not responding to them. Number 4, find supporting documents. What do you mean by this? There are usually 2 things that they're auditing. Number 1 is either your income. There's an unreported income, which means you have 100,000. They only saw $80,000, or you have 5 1099s that were reflected to their system, but you only reported 4. That's why this is the concept where less is not always more. Make sure that even though you don't have 1099, report your income. Now, the other audit that they can do are the expenses. For example, there are too much meals, gas, travel. Are they all business related? They can audit you with that. They would like you to present and show that there are ordinary and necessary expenses. That's why when we say supporting documents, we're talking about either your 1099s for your income or W2, or on the other hand, they'd like to see your profit and loss statement. How do you do your record keeping? They're looking for credit card transactions, bank transactions, receipts, and invoices that have been settled and been declared to your tax return. Number 5, you need to make sure you have a best tax resolution specialist. That's why Wyco Tax is offering this service already, because more than ever, there will be more businesses and individuals that will be on audit. There are millions right now ongoing, and we work for companies already. Thank God we won all those audits. Then number 6 is you have to review the response form. On the letter, they will give you the best time to reply. You have to put your name, your number, the best contact, whether AM in the morning, PM, you also have to put the time. But just a side note, they don't call you. They always send you a letter. As long as you're complying and responding, that's why on our company, we do create the letter for you to send. So that's why we would put the right word and what would be the right documents to put it all together. That's why we got your back. Okay, we are the auditor of auditors. Also, number 7, the follow-up. Follow-up doesn't mean you're going to bug the IRS and telling what's the status. The best communication tool right now is letter. Everything need to be documented. That's why we prepare all these documents. Just to give you a realistic expectation in terms of the time frame, it could take 6 months and more to resolve an audit. That's why you have to be patient, but able to ease that worriness, and stress, you need a best tax resolution specialist. Okay guys, if you like this content, feel free to click share and subscribe. I'm Christopher, an IRS acceptance agent, founder of Wyco Tax, an all-year-round, all-in-one tax payroll bookkeeping service solution. If you have a question, feel free to click for our 15 to 30 minute consultation today. Not tomorrow, but today, again, here in Wyco-ffee Break. Everybody deserves a break. Stay safe.